At Intervala, we support mission-critical industries like medical, data centers, aerospace, and defense, where performance is critical and the cost of failure is high. Our commitment to these customers has remained constant, and as their systems evolve, manufacturing has to keep pace. That's why we continue to invest, including a recent $6 million expansion of our facility, adding advanced technology and capacity to support the next generation of builds. But technology is only part of the story. It's the people behind it, engineers, technicians, and operators, solving problems in real time and working together to make sure every product performs as expected. Modern manufacturing looks different than it used to. It's faster, more precise, and more connected. And for the environments our customers operate in, it must be. That's why everything we do at Intervala is focused on getting it right. The first time, every time.